Well, you better pick up the pace. Why must you do this to me? Now I gotta wash this off. Seriously, dude? You threw juice at me again? Come on, dude, I have a job to do. Can't you just leave me in peace? Is this your job now? Is this what you do for a living? Look, you're starting to piss me off. See my eye color? It's now lime instead of gray. From now on, expect your speed boost to be reduced the more you splash me in juice. Here, have the speed boost. Okay, seriously, just stop. I have to stay like this for my part-time job. My eyes are yellow now. You do not want to see me when they are red. Now you're just pushing my buttons, dude. You're starting to make me real mad. Just stop splashing me and juice. Okay, now you have done it. You pushed me. My eyes are now red. From this point forward, no more speed boost. Is that clear enough for you? Just stop. Alright, that's it. I have enough of you. I told you 8 times to stop. Yet you persisted anyway. Is this what you do for a living? Because of that, my disciplinary action now decided you are no longer a friend. And you know what that means.
Hey, you stop hugging people, it's annoying.